Hello, my name is Marta, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the store, the flagship store of Klaus Porto. This store is very special for us because it symbolizes the return of Klaus Porto to the city that saw the brand being born 131 years ago. So we're thrilled to introduce our store to you and also to welcome you in our workshop in partnership with Porto Photo Fest. For those of you who don't know the brand, this is a Portuguese fragrance house that was created in 1887 by two German men, and that has worked in fragrance and soaps for all these years, building its reputation and taking the brand, this Portuguese brand, to all four corners of the world. In our store, you'll be able to find all sorts of inspiration. From the minute you step into the store, scent will be the first thing that you will smell, because you will be in the floor where all of our products are displayed. But as you come up inside the store, you will find other objects that will be able to inspire you. Inside this house, this 19th century bourgeois house, you will find lots of pieces of old furniture that tell you history of other times, pieces that we took from our museum and that are a part of our history, images, labels, inspired by several art movements such as Art Deco, Belle Époque and Bauhaus, all combined in a very open space that was put together by João Mendes Ribeiro, a Portuguese architect, and trying to combine all sorts of elements. So you have a modern space, yet inspired by something that is a brand with 131 years, and combining it with several objects that tell different stories. I think you are going to like them. With that being said, we can't wait to have you here.